Okay. Are the police doing the best they can, giving the best truth they possibly can at that moment? Absolutely, right? Trump, the most amazing liar with more, the most documented liar in history, is the same. He's giving the best truth he possibly can. Because there is definitely times when truth crosses over into a lie. I've written 2 personality disorders exactly about that. All right, so do the police or the prosecutors or the judges or the district attorney or their attorneys believe? Hell no. Well, nobody will look at the evidence, and while they will not allow it in court, it's there. They've seen it. They have seen it. I have, through a civil complaint, I forced them to look at it. They all know they're lying, and they know they're gaslighting. When I first met the pinche Mr. Wren, or I call him Mr. Hen, but that's all right. When I first met him as the first attorney, representing a compulsive liar named S'more, he gave me the first list of bullshit, which was almost like exactly the same as all the rest that he gave me after that, right? It doesn't matter if you already reply to it. They keep dishing it out the same, right? So, and I said to him, your side cannot win without deception.